I'm Trinity from trinityskitchen.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious cashew plant-based milk. It's really easy. It's only got 3 ingredients in it, and it's exceedingly similar to the decadent frosting that I would actually put on my raw carrot cake. So I'm going to use cashews, I'm going to use dates, and I'm going to use vanilla, which is exactly how I make the frosting on my raw cakes. The only difference is I'm going to add water to it, and then magically we have an absolutely delicious, super creamy plant-based milk. So what I did was I took about 3/4 cup of cashew nuts, that's 100 grams, and then I soaked them along with about 8 or 10 dates, about 50 grams of dates, and I soaked them for 3 hours. You can soak them overnight if you like. Then I strained off the water. I added 2 cups or half a litre of spring water, and I just blended them together, adding in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I blended it for about 90 seconds until everything had broken down. And unlike other nut milks, you don't really need to strain it. It will have a little bit of sediment in it, which is absolutely fine, just adds to it. And there we go. So you put it in the fridge, chill it, and then you can use this to pour on your granola, on your muesli, to mix into smoothies or make hot chocolate lattes, all that kind of stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy this as much as I do. And if you resonate with what you see, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check me out on trinityskitchen.com, and please do feel free to ask any questions and I'll help wherever I can. Bye for now.